Today, people are eating unhealthy food and are unaware what it can do to their body mentally and physically. So it is time for people to start changing those habits. In this generation, we have fast foods restaurants almost everywhere. It has also become easier for us to have access to food through home delivery. And the evolution of technology like TV, video games, and phones has made us less physically active. This new lifestyle has made us ignore the fact that eating unhealthy and not taking care of our body can cause harmful effects on our body. So we should start changing our eating habits. The lack of physical exercise is the primary cause of chronic conditions in our body. According to J. Larry Thurston 2013 article called Chronic Diseases, and the link to physical activity says that physical inactivity itself is a role as a direct cause of speeding the losses of cardiovascular obesity and shortening of lifespan. He also states that in the past, chronic diseases were only associated with older people, but because of changes in lifestyle, the chronic diseases are now prominent to younger people, especially those of age 17, 18, and 19 that spend more time on their electronic devices instead of going out. In the investigation conducted, chronic diseases is the leading cause of death in the world by 63%. Our unhealthy eating habits of overeating is also leading us to obesity. According to Odelia Rosen 2008 article called The Economic Causes of Obesity, a survey, she states that obesity has increased over the last 30 years. The poor diet and physical inactivity were the second leading cause of death in 2000. The survey indicates that 66% of adults in the U.S. were overweight or obese. It also indicated that obese people had a 50% to 100% rates of death risk. The article also states that obesity was one of the major risk factors to health problems such as type 2 diabetes, chronic liver diseases, cancer, and hypertension. In the article by Tatiana Van Strien, 1995, called on the relationship between emotional and external eating behavior, says that overeating is related to emotional eating and emotional distress from problems such as anxiety, depression, and phobias. Another way we are harming our bodies is by making bad food choices. According to Joel Furman 2018 article called The Hidden Dangers of the Fast and Processed Foods, white flour, sugar, maple syrup, honey, and all of the junk food people are eating contribute to obesity, diabetes, heart attacks, strokes, dementia, and cancer. But not many people realize the role an unhealthy diet may have in mental illness. Candy and sweetened baked goods lower intelligence and may even stimulate the brain to addiction, which can lead to more serious illnesses. He also states that excess of calories shortens lifespan, and that Americans consume more calories than any other population. They consume food that have no nutritional value. There's a way you can become physically active to improve your health without having to go to the gym. One activity you can do is walking. Walking has been known to have benefits such as weight management, stress reliever, and strengthening of your heart. According to U.S. Department of the Health and Human Services 2008 article called Physical Activity Guidelines for Americans, most health benefits occur when a person dedicates their time to physical activity like walking at least 60 minutes or more. You can prevent obesity by eating healthier and stop overeating. According to Jennifer Huizen 2019 article called What Are the Best Ways to Stop Overeating, she states that eating slower can decrease body mass index. Putting food into smaller plates or containers can also help you keep food portions under control. Making good food choices decreases the risk of chronic diseases according to PJ Skerritt 2010 article called Essentials of Healthy Eating. He states that eating whole grain foods, vegetables, and fruits, and limiting red meat and sugary beverage can decrease the risk of chronic diseases. Limiting caloric intake can also help maintain a healthy weight. We could continue staring at our electronic devices instead of walking outside. We can continue overeating when we are feeling distressed instead of seeking for help, and continue making bad food choices. But these habits will eventually lead you to chronic disease and harm your body. Or we can choose to reduce the risk of chronic diseases by walking outside for 60 minutes every day. Avoid overeating by eating slower and eating in smaller portions. And we can make better food choices by eating vegetables, fruits, and whole grain foods. I want you to change your bad habits and start walking outside. Start eating moderately by eating in smaller portions, and instead of eating junk food, you should start putting vegetables, fruits, and whole grain foods on your plate.